boss man. My change is sticking. Can you hook me up?
Sure, Boss Lady Junior, not a problem. How's it going, YouTube Nation? This is Rogers with Richard Ranch Small Engine Repair. One of the most frequent questions I get asked from my followers and my customers is, what do I go through a lot? Well, besides carburetor cleaner, I go through PB Blaster, both regular and Multimax blend. What's the difference, you ask? The regular is non-synthetic and it does have an odor. Works very well. The Multimax is synthetic, it's odorless, and you can use it on household door hinges, let's say, tools. It also has a dielectric formula to where you could spray in certain plugins, but works just as well as the PB Blaster. Give it a good little shake. For this instance, I use it for Boss Lady Junior's chain because it was cracking. All right, Boss Lady Junior, you good to go?
Put it on my tab.
Put it in gear, you good to go.
Not easy, nation. Like and subscribe.
All right, YouTube Nation, that was a quick little fix on this Coleman Go-Kart. Check out the affiliate links below. I do make a little commission. It does help out the channel. So please like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Rogers with Richard Ranch Small Engine Repair, reminding you, God loves you. He wants you to prosper. Now go be blessed.